Hey everyone, welcome to Charger Games. This is Raja and this is another video on the channel. So in this video, this is gonna be another question answer type video. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about another question that I see a lot of people asking. So whenever I go to different Facebook groups or different YouTube comments, or even in my YouTube comments, I see many times people asking this question. So I'm gonna answer that. So when I go to my YouTube comments, a lot of times I see that mainly, I think this question is mainly asked by the students. So they come to the videos and they say, I have a computer like this. I have, let's say 8 GB of RAM. I have a graphics card like this. I have my processor like this. Can I build games? And there are many people who even have a beast kind of gaming computer, and even they ask, can I build games? And there are probably very few people who have very low configured PC and they ask that, can I build games? Now my answer to all three of these, no matter whatever computer you have, is that yes, you can build games. So my suggestion would be not to focus on tools and focus on your skills. You might think that you have a very low configured PC and you cannot build games. Believe me, you can. No matter whatever kind of PC you have, if you can run YouTube, if you can run Google Chrome and watch this video, then that probably means that you can run any kind of popular game engine or any popular game framework on your PC. Now you think that I have a low configured PC, so I have to do a lot of, whenever I want to build games, there will be a lot of lagging and I have to protect that. But yes, if you have a low configured PC, definitely you will have some lag on your PC, but you have to take that if you want to learn. So if you want to learn, just don't make any excuses. Don't give any excuses. No matter whatever kind of PC you have, you can build games. So don't just procrastinate and keep saying that when I will have a PC like this, then I will start building. When I will have a PC like this, or maybe when I will get a graphics card like this, I will start building games or start learning how to build games. Or it's not just about games, it's about anything you want. So if you ask me, I don't have a graphics card yet. I myself don't have a graphics card. I use a very old processor. Okay, so I don't even have an i3 processor, even lower than that. And I don't have a graphics card, as I've said. I have only 6 GB of RAM, not even 8 GB. And as you have seen that I make all kinds of videos on game engines and all the different kind of tools, and I can run everything pretty much smooth. Now, that was not the scenario before 2-3 years. So if you took a look at my videos probably 2 years ago, I didn't have a computer like even this. I had a very low configured computer, and probably you cannot believe, but I had a computer and I had a hard drive of 80 GB only. Okay, so actually I bought a second-hand computer at that time. So the second-hand computer, that old computer, had 80 GB of hard drive, and I had to manage with that only. And I did that, and I learned everything, and I'm teaching whatever I learned today, and I'm keep learning. So my advice would be to not give excuses. Maybe you cannot afford a computer right now. Maybe you cannot afford an expensive PC right now, but you are just saying to yourself that when I will be able to get a PC like this, then I'll be start building games. But don't do that. No matter whatever you have, you can build games. Even if you have a very low configured PC, let's say 10 or more years old, even after that you can build games. You can definitely run Python on it. So you can run Python and Pygame together on it. You just need the Python installed, and it has own IDE, IDLE. So there you can run Python code and you can connect it to Pygame and you can build games. And even after that, even if you cannot do this, then you can simply go to your browser and you can run any kind of JavaScript application there. Okay, so you just use any JavaScript game development framework. Just write your code in Notepad or Notepad++ and run it on your browser. You can run on any browser. And if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure that you are running a browser. You cannot do it without a browser. So if you have a browser, you can run that. So the summary of the video is that don't just procrastinate and say to yourself that you cannot build games just because you don't have a good enough computer. I have started from a very low configured computer. Okay, so I had a Pentium 4 processor, 80 GB hard drive, and 2 GB of RAM, and it was really slow. But if you look at some of my first videos, I have made those videos in that computer, and I have learned all the skills that I'm teaching to you in that computer as well. So it doesn't really matter much. It is a very, what can I say, in the scale of 1 to 10, it's a problem of maybe 1, that what kind of computer you have. There might be a problem when you reach a certain level, because after that, when you want to go more, you might need a better PC. But as a beginner, you definitely not need a supercomputer or a beast like this. I see many people who have gaming computers, and even after that, they say that I cannot build games because my PC gonna hang. It doesn't matter, bro. You can build games on any kind of PC. If you can run a browser, if you can run any application, you can definitely run any kind of framework you want. Okay, maybe you cannot run Unreal Engine, or maybe you cannot build really expensive featured games, but you can definitely build a lot of awesome games. Okay, so I hope you find this video helpful. So thanks for watching, and if you are procrastinating and thinking that you're gonna build games and you're gonna get a better PC, just go ahead, finish this video, download the tool that you want right now, and get started. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video helped you. So thanks for watching. Check out my other videos in my channel, and if you like this video, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next videos. Thank you very much.